Here's the video of the Mavic 4 Pro and all of the different quick shots.
The first shot I'm going to look at is rotate, which is unique to the Mavic 4 Pro because of its rotating gimbal. I'm using the default settings of forward 180 degree turn, flying forward 120 meters and flying for 15 seconds. So you can see we've turned around to 180 degrees, and as we're flying forward, that 180 degrees is unveiling round to back to 0. So it started upside down and flown forward 120 meters and turned 180 degrees, and that's the full shot. So let's take a look at the shot now through the camera. Started flying forward, turning 180 degrees back to level, flown 120 meters forward, and it's taken 15 seconds in total to take the shot. And that's rotate, QuickShots rotate, unique to the Mavic 4 Pro. Now let's look at the remaining 6 standard QuickShots that you get with the Mavic 4 Pro. The first one we're going to look at is Dronie. Now here I'm in the center of the shot. I've worn a box around myself, and now the drone is flying back on the default of 30 meters. So it's flying backwards, revealing to 30 meters. Now it's coming back in, flying back into where it started. You can change these distances up to 120 meters. Now let's look at the Dronie through the camera lens. So I'm now flying backwards up to 30 meters, and it records for the first part. It doesn't record for the second part. The next quick shot is rocket. The drone will go for the default height of 30 meters. So I've drawn a box around myself and now pressing start. Now there's the countdown, 3, 2, 1, and off we go. The drone's going to go up over the top of me and fly up to 30 meters in height above me. It's going to keep going up. When it gets to the height of 30 meters, it's going to come back. Now the range can be up to 80 meters in the quick shot mode, so 30 to 80 meters. So it's now coming back down and flying back to where it started, but it doesn't record on the way back down, it only records on the way up. So here's the recording of what you see through the camera, starting at 7 meters and rising to 37 meters, a range of 30 meters, which is the default. And that's QuickShots rocket. The next quick shot is circle. I'll draw a box around myself and I can go either left or right. You'll see the arrows come up when I've chosen to go right, and I've chosen to go at the full speed, which is full on. And now you'll see that the drone is going round me at a circumference of where it started. So it's the same in the same distance. You set the distance away from yourself first and then it will go round you. Let's take a look at the actual shot itself through the camera lens, and you can see how quickly this is going at the full speed for one complete circle. Now we're going to do a helix. I've drawn a box around myself. I'm going to go to the left this time. The maximum radius for the helix is 10 meters, but you can make that larger if you wish. The range can be from 10 meters to 120 meters. I've set it for 10 meters. And it goes away and it starts to climb. So this is a circle going around me, but a climbing circle and a rising circle. Helix is 85, 89, 95, 100% complete now, and then it's returning back towards me. Back to the start point to complete the helix. Now we'll have a look at the shot through the camera lens. And you see it's going around me, rising all the time, and it's a 10 meter radius. Now let's take a look at the boomerang. So I'll draw a box around me, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And the boomerang, you need to leave a range of around 50 meters around you, because the boomerang starts close and gets further away, exactly like a boomerang, and then it comes back towards you down again. So it rises on part of the top of the boomerang and comes back down to finish the boomerang. and there's a completed boomerang. Now let's have a look at the boomerang through the camera lens, and you can see the QuickShot is pretty effective. It goes away from me, rises. You need to give yourself a 50-meter range around you, and then it's coming back down towards me to complete the boomerang. And that's Boomerang QuickShots.
Now let's look at the final quick shot, the Asteroid, which is a really interesting shot. Counted down and away it goes. So what the Asteroid is a combination of two things. It's a Dronie, so it's pulling away from me up to 40 or 45 meters or whatever height I've set it to. So it's coming back now. And now what it's going to do, it's going to take a panorama of still images above me. So this is a full panorama. You can see it's taking 1, 2, 3, moving left 45 degrees, 1, 2, 3, moving left. Then it's taking those photographs. 1, 2, 3, 3, keep it going around. And now it's finished, and now it's processing, and it'll fly down back to me. So what we have is a Dronie, and then I think it's probably 26 photos at the top. I haven't counted them exactly, but it normally is 26 on a panorama. And it's taken those photographs and it's going to combine the video with the still images. So let's take a look at it in a short while. Here we go. So it's zooming back all the way, and now it's turning around, and that's the final unit. So it's a really good shot.
If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel, or watch the next video in the playlist, or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.